Hi there, welcome to our channel. Today I will share with you 20 best Photoshop vector action pack. This is RAR file. You can download link in description. It's free. If you don't download this file, see below in description there have a video link, how to download this RAR file. You see this video to know how to download this RAR file. As you can see, I'm already extract this file. Here you can see there are 20 folders, each with different actions. So how do you use it? I'm showing it open. You can see there are action file, just open it, install is done. Okay, now I'm create a new document, and I bring images. I want to remove the background of this image. I went to the select option, so I selected the subject. Then I deleted it in the background. Then I create a background. It is not an easy job to create an impressive vector piece of art from your pictures and designs. This is a process that requires you to put in a lot of efforts and time. Background is done, now I make the thighs a merge layer. Transform your pictures into an amazing vector art with our vector Photoshop actions. Now click on the action button. If this button is not there, click on the Windows option. Then click on the action, it will go away. See here. You can see we have installed. Here is the play button. Click here, the action will start. It will take a time. The action will work automatically. Very creative and professional work. Vector Photoshop action is a very premium quality preset. This action is very professional and adjustable. Okay, you see, it's over. You can install it all the same way. I'm finishing here like today. Hope you understand. If you don't understand, please let us know in the comments. We will make a video accordingly and show you. Well, this was today's tutorial, so if you like it, be sure to subscribe to the channel and share the video. Thanks.